Hey there, subscribers! Welcome to another edition of your Hey-yow collections. We are going to feature the new Jollibee Kiddie meal toys collectibles called Road Rollers. Join us as we unbox the three cool toys for you. Okay, so first one is the school bus buddies. You're going to see the yellow school bus inside, plus stickers of Jollibee and his friends, so probably just need to put on the stickers. So it comes with two cards. It says here in the instructions that in order for you to roll the bus, you need to insert the cards. Right, so let's try putting it on the stickers. Okay, so second one is the ambulance Rovers. So it comes with the white ambulance, of course with a red light on top, and also comes with a sticker of Jollibee and his friend. Alright, so the third one is the Firetruck Troopers. Cool red fire truck. Right, so it also comes with this sticker of Jollibee and his friend. Okay, so you can press the top of the fire truck. Probably just need to put in water inside, and after that you can press the top of the fire truck so that water should be spitting out on this one. Alright, cool. There you have it, all three road roller collectibles from Jollibee. Again, continue to subscribe to Hey-yow Collections, because we'll never stop featuring cool toys for you. See you!